LensCrafters has the prescription sunglasses that reflect you.
Cornelius? Cornelius, what are you looking
So
at?
you can do what you want to do and look good doing
What
it.
is that? Is a little spider? Yeah, you want to get the little spider?
With the great selection and the latest styles, starting at just
Is there a little spider?
$139.95. LensCrafters, open your eyes.
Where's the bra?
There ain't no bugs on me.
She's coming?
There ain't
Yeah,
no
she's at
bugs
the
on
foot of the
me.
chair.
Oh, there she is. They're both watching the little spider.
Canine Advantix provides gentle, effective protection against disease-spreading pests, so you know they're protected wherever they go. Ask your veterinarian for Canine Advantix or another product from the Advantage family that's right for your pet.
Yeah, there may be bugs
Cornelius.
on me, but there ain't no bugs on me.